Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this following tutorial, I'm going to let you guys know how can you transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Binance. In order to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Binance, you have to follow the steps. So first thing, you open up your browser and on the web address bar, type in coinmarketcap.com. When you type in that, go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, this is how it's gonna look like. While you're on this page, you could see multiple tabs right on top. So you have to go and click on portfolio. When you click on that option, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here, what you have to do is you could either go ahead and create a new portfolio, or you could just go ahead and tap on the three dot icon right on the top, and you should be able to see your show one chart. You should be able to see this sort of page. So next thing, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and click on portfolio one more time. Next thing, you have to go ahead and click on create portfolio. Once you actually click on it, next thing you could see is different option like connect to your wallet, add transaction manually, or connect Binance account. Since we are transferring money from CoinMarketCap to Binance, so click on connect Binance account. Here you have to go ahead and connect your information. Likewise, you could also read that at the bottom of the page and click on connect with or continue with Binance. After you've actually done it, so over here you need to select the coin that you want to transfer. So go ahead and select the coin, and that way you have to go ahead and click on transfer in and make sure that you're doing in a fiat currency, and this way you'll be able to transfer money from CoinMarketCap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.